Patience 3. In a narration found in Sunan ibn Majah, number 4168, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised Muslims not to question destiny, as this opens the door to the devil. He encourages Muslims to challenge the choice of Allah, the Exalted, as they do not observe the wisdoms behind it because of their short-sightedness and lack of understanding. This in turn leads to impatience and the loss of reward. One should reflect on their past experiences where they believed something was good when it was in fact bad, and vice versa, in order to inspire them to remain patient, as they will be shown these benefits sooner or later. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 216.
But perhaps you hate a thing and it is good for you, and perhaps you love a thing and it is bad for you. And Allah knows while you know not.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.